everyone! I just want to share sa mga may iPhones na hindi pa nakakaalam kung paano maglagay ng personalized ringtones nila na katulad ng nagagawa ng mga Android phones. So, I will start now, but first, gusto ko sana mag-request to subscribe my YouTube channel and click the bell and also like this video after watching this. So now, kailangan we need to have this Bolt application. This is a downloader for everything. So if you have this one, just click this one, and we will type SoundCloud. Okay, and then click this first one. So there will be sometimes ads like. So we need to search and look for sounds. So we can look for like sample music like One Night in Dubai. So okay, you have to click this first one so you can see like some MP3s. So this is the ads that I'm telling you. After finishing ads, still have. Okay, X. So we can choose this first one or second one. Which one is better? This one more. Then after, if it's good for you, we can click to the download. So it will appear here download. So we will click this, and it will be here, the first one. So we will just stop it like 2 seconds. And it will come like this. So we will choose this open in and scroll down and save the files. And we can save it here in the GarageBand for iOS. See? So you can see save from this top, right top. Save, then done. It will be saved. So now we need to go to the GarageBand here. But first I need to close this music. Okay. So GarageBand. So it will come like this. So you will look for the audio recorder. This one, audio recorder. Click that one, and as you can see this. Okay. You can see this plus symbol. You can set it manually. Okay, you can set up to 30, so it will be long music. Okay, done. And after this, just click this one. It needs to be appear like this, like audio, as you can see here in the left top, second audio. And then you can see the downloads music here. It appear here. Yeah, see this one, the one that I downloaded. So click. Okay, so it will come here to here. So I need to drag this long drag going to the back until on this beside the audio. So now we need to remove this one. So now we can play music. Wait. We'll just play it. Try. Okay. After playing Karas, so we will just go to this arrow, up, top, arrow, down, and you can see my songs and save it. Already saved. So we need to tap it like 2 seconds, and it will come. We can do like a rename, so we can save it as Dubai. Okay. So done. So we will tap it like 2 seconds and share it. You can see, scroll right, share, and then ringtone. Okay, continue. So you can see here as ringtones. You can click this export on top. So it's exporting. You can use sound as a ringtone like that. But if you want, yeah, you can click this and standard ringtone like that. Assign to contacts. Like you can use in like a for your Nagbalal-balal na ako. So ayun, magagamit mo sa mga contacts mo kung ano yung kung ano yung gusto mong music dun sa boyfriend mo or sa kaibigan mo, sa BFF mo, diba? Yung para alam mo kung sino yung tumatawag sa'yo. Pwede ka mag-download ng mga music para sa kanila. So, separate. And so, pagtatawag sila, alam mo kung sino yung natawag, diba? So, maganda. So, para na siyang Android. So, nakaset na siya. So, if someone will call me, see if I go to settings, I can see, this sound. It's already here in my ringtone. See? Okay. So, that's it. Sana nakatulong to. Thank you. Thanks for watching. Bye. Have a nice day.